Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually create a nice thumbnail for your playlist on SoundCloud. It's a very easy process, but you know how to find it, and that's what I'm going to show you. Now the first step is to actually open up your preferred browser, head down to soundcloud.com and sign into your existing account. Now from there we'll actually go down to the top right corner where our profile appears, head down to the playlists and go to the private playlist that you own. It has to be a created one because you can't change the other ones. Now simply head down to the actual playlist that you want to change. Now let's say it's this one. I want to change this thumbnail. I simply head down to the playlist. Now what I can do is actually replace the image right here and change it from out at this little window. But what I can also do is head down to edit, and from inside the edit tab I can actually upload the image as well. Now from here I can simply select a image. Now let's say I want this image, and that should be about it. This will replace the image, and here once it has replaced I simply press replace. Now I can actually zoom it in, make it wider, I can move it, and I can save the changes. And here once I save the changes, this should change as well. Now, if you still get any other questions, or if this tutorial has helped you in any kind of way, please leave a like and subscribe. This helps me out a lot. And thanks for watching.